Best 2-in-1 soldering stations. Are you looking for the best 2-in-1 soldering stations? In this video we will look at some of the best 2-in-1 soldering stations on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. YIHUA 862BD Plus Soldering Iron Hot Air Rework Station. The YIHUA 862BD Plus SMD ESD Safe 2-in-1 Soldering Iron Hot Air Rework Station is a versatile and reliable solution designed for professionals, hobbyists, and electronics repair enthusiasts. This dual-function station combines a high-performance soldering iron with a precision hot air rework tool, making it perfect for soldering, desoldering, heat shrinking, and working with surface mount devices, SMD. Equipped with a 750W power output and 110V compatibility, this unit delivers fast heating and stable temperature control, ensuring efficient operation. Users can easily switch between degree F and degree C settings, offering flexibility for different working preferences. The soldering iron features an ergonomic, lightweight design for extended use, while the hot air gun delivers adjustable airflow for delicate or heavy-duty tasks. The YIHUA 862BD Plus is built with ESD-safe technology to protect sensitive electronic components from static damage, making it a safe choice for professional-grade electronics work. Its compact size, measuring 4.88-inch dx 9.8 wx 7.36h, fits conveniently on any workbench without taking up too much space. Additional functions include intelligent temperature correction, automatic cooling for extended tool life, and dual LED digital displays for precise monitoring. Despite its powerful features, the unit remains lightweight at only 0.3 ounces, ensuring portability. Whether you're repairing circuit boards, assembling electronics, or working on DIY projects, the YIHUA 862BD Plus provides the reliability, accuracy, and performance needed to handle a wide range of soldering and rework tasks with ease. Number 2. WEP 882D Soldering Iron Station. The WEP 882D Soldering Iron Station 2-in-1 SMD Hot Air Rework Station is a complete and versatile toolkit designed for professionals, technicians, and electronics hobbyists. Combining a precision soldering iron with a powerful hot air rework tool, this dual-purpose station allows you to handle a wide range of soldering, desoldering, and repair applications with ease. Powered by 750W with 110V compatibility, the WEP 882D delivers rapid heating and consistent temperature stability, ensuring efficient operation for delicate and demanding tasks. The hot air rework gun features adjustable airflow, making it ideal for SMD components, heat shrink tubing, and precision rework. The soldering iron provides steady heat for high-quality solder joints and reliable results. This set comes with a full accessory kit, including 2 spools of solder wire, 5 interchangeable soldering tips, 3 hot air nozzles, tweezers, a brass wool tip cleaner, and a desoldering pump, everything you need to start working immediately. The included accessories make it easier to tackle projects such as circuit board assembly, chip removal, and electronics repair. With a compact footprint of 3.54-inch dx 5.9 wx 2.28h and weighing just 1.1 kilograms, this station fits neatly into any workspace while remaining portable. Safety features include ESD-safe design to protect sensitive components and intelligent temperature control for precise performance. Perfect for DIY electronics projects, professional repair shops, and educational labs, the WEP 882D delivers reliability, versatility, and value in one convenient package. Number 3. CREWORKS 898D Soldering and Rework Station. The CREWORKS 2-in-1 SMD Soldering Iron and Hot Air Rework Station, model SRSD 898-00, is a professional-grade solution for electronics repair, circuit board assembly, and precision soldering projects. Designed for both experts and hobbyists, this versatile station combines a high-performance soldering iron with a powerful hot air rework gun, making it suitable for soldering, desoldering, and reworking surface mount devices, SMD. With 700 watts of power and 110V operation, this rework station ensures rapid heating and stable temperature control for efficient and accurate results. The LED digital display provides real-time temperature readings, allowing you to fine-tune settings for delicate components or heavy-duty tasks. Adjustable airflow and temperature functions make it easy to customize performance based on your project's needs. The included 11 soldering tips expand your capabilities, ensuring precision for a wide range of applications. From small circuit repairs to larger electronic builds, the CREWORKS 898D kit provides the tools you need in one compact unit. Its ergonomic soldering iron and lightweight hot air gun are designed for comfort during extended use, while the ESD-safe design helps protect sensitive electronics from static damage. Built with durability and convenience in mind, the compact design saves workspace while delivering powerful performance. Whether you're repairing smartphones, assembling PCBs, or working on DIY electronics, the CREWORKS 2-in-1 Rework station offers reliability, versatility, and professional-level functionality at an excellent value. Number 4. MeFix 8586 Soldering and Hot Air Station. The MeFix 8586 Soldering Station 2-in-1 Electric Iron and SMD Hot Air Rework Station is a powerful and efficient solution for electronics repair, assembly, and maintenance. Combining a high-quality soldering iron with a precision hot air rework gun, this station is designed for tackling a wide range of applications, from circuit board soldering to SMD component rework and desoldering. With a strong 760W output and 110V AC compatibility, the MeFix 8586 delivers fast heating and reliable temperature stability. Both the soldering iron and hot air gun feature adjustable controls, allowing users to fine-tune temperature and airflow for precision work. Whether you're repairing delicate chips, heat-shrinking tubing, or working on larger components, this station ensures accuracy and efficiency. Designed with user safety and component protection in mind, the station includes ESD-safe features to prevent static damage to sensitive electronics. The compact build, measuring 5.43-inch dx 3.78 wx 6.02h and weighing 2.85 kilograms, makes it practical for both professional workshops and home workbenches without taking up excessive space. Built for comfort and extended use, the ergonomic soldering iron and lightweight hot air gun reduce fatigue during longer projects. Additional intelligent functions like stable temperature regulation and automatic cooling extend tool life while ensuring consistent performance. Perfect for electronics hobbyists, technicians, and professionals, the MeFix 8586 2-in-1 soldering station provides durability, versatility, and the essential tools needed to handle everything from everyday soldering to complex SMD rework with ease. Number 5. TLBZK 2-in-1 Soldering Station. The TLBZK Rework Soldering Station 2-in-1 SMD Hot Air Station and Soldering Iron Kit is a complete and reliable solution for electronic repair, assembly, and maintenance. Designed to combine the precision of a soldering iron with the versatility of a hot air rework gun, this station makes it easy to handle a wide range of soldering and desoldering tasks. Powered by 600 watts and operating on 110V AC, this station provides rapid heating and consistent performance. The LED digital display allows for real-time temperature monitoring, giving you precise control over both the soldering iron and the hot air gun. Adjustable airflow and temperature ensure flexibility when working on sensitive SMD components or more demanding repair jobs. The kit includes essential accessories such as soldering tips, hot air nozzles, tweezers, and a fuse, giving you everything you need to start your projects right away. With its ESD-safe design, the station helps protect delicate electronics from static damage, ensuring professional quality results. Compact yet powerful, the station is ideal for small workspaces while still delivering strong, dependable performance. The ergonomic soldering iron ensures comfort during extended use, while the lightweight heat gun provides precise control for rework and desoldering applications. Perfect for technicians, hobbyists, and DIY electronics enthusiasts, the TLBZK 2-in-1 Rework Soldering Station delivers durability, accuracy, and convenience in one affordable package, making it an essential tool for all your soldering and rework needs.